experiences that bring your learners into real places with 360-degree images in Storyline 360. Building an interactive experience with 360-degree images is simple. Import any panoramic 360-degree image, pick an initial view, and resize for the perfect fit. Then add interactive markers and hotspots to encourage learner engagement. Markers can reveal text, audio, and video content. You can even customize markers by changing their icon and color. Hotspots are great when you want learners to discover additional content on their own. You can draw hotspots anywhere and in any shape and color. You can also add triggers to markers and hotspots to build even more immersive interactions. You can reveal additional content or link multiple 360-degree images for a walkthrough. Inspire curiosity by giving learners the freedom to explore interactive elements in any order, or restrict navigation and guide learners through interactive markers in a specific sequence. As learners move through the image, they'll be able to track their progression with the progress indicator. Transport your learners anywhere with the 360-degree image feature in Storyline 360.